National Geographic Breaking Open Geodes Science Kit. Let's open it up! Looks like there's a mess. Okay,
Something else in the box? Oh, yeah. It's geode information.
And we have a geode bag. That's hard. Safety goggles, which we're gonna wear later. A magnifying glass and maybe a stand. I think. Okay. I think we're gonna start opening. So first, I will wear my safety goggles so we don't get hit.
Okay, I recommend safety.
Yes.
Wear it properly. Over your eyes.
The magnifying glass.
Yeah.
Let's just put it. The two geodes that hard. Look, when you drop, it doesn't break. So we'll put the one geode here, and my dad, he'll get the hammer. Okay, so the tools are: you need a hammer and a screwdriver that you need to have. Like, it's like pencil drawing while it's on. You have to not in the hole, I guess. Crack it open! Oh my god! Look at that, guys! It's a quartz crystal that looks like diamond.
See?
It's hard.
Yeah.
Well, maybe this is a souvenir. It's like a sea monster, like, "Rah, rah, I have a broken mouth."
There you go. There's actually a display stand where you can put it.
This, and then that comes with a display stand, so you can display it like a collector, and then you can put the crystal somewhere just like this, like a tourist hat. And then here's the second geode, the best. Nothing, only a hammer can break this. So
Okay.
Open this up.
Okay, let's open this up.
Okay, my dad is opening. So we're just gonna wait for him to finish that geode smashing. Yeah. This geode is so big. Maybe this is like the most largest geode. Quartz crystals are the best kind of crystals. So first time to crack open one. Geodes are actually found on lavas. So like the lavas make rocks, but inside space makes quartz crystals. So like pretend God, he make a rock and then he opened it and then put quartz crystals and then put it back and then send it. That's cool. The geodes are agate. Agate is a variety of quartz made up of tiny microcrystals. It typically has very fine grain and bright colors. Wow, we got quartz crystals and it looks similar. Look. If you have my classes like this, put it here and then try to look if it's the same. So yeah.
What's our quartz?
Our quartz is the second most ambient mineral in the Earth's continental crust. Wow, that's so cool, guys. And it is the most common mineral found inside geodes. Well, that's quartz crystals have 6 sides and vary in color depending upon the purity of the minerals. The purest quartz, often called the rock crystal, is the colorless and transparent. The second geode just cracked open. Wow, look at that. It's really the same. I think this is the coolest geode that we ever seen. Actually, a geode. Let's see the instructions. The geodes are formed from volcanoes. Like the volcanoes make these geodes with diamond and emerald and limestone. All sorts of that stuff. Okay, so this is like a side of, it looks like a megalodon teeth. It looks cool if this was a megalodon teeth. If you have your magnifying glass with you, then try to look at this. I will give this the star of 5. Since you can crack open the geodes, and then it also comes with safety goggles. Just look at this box. It has to have this sign. So if you go to the science section, make sure to look at this. You can find this at Amazon, your local toy store, anywhere. Open Geodes Science Kit. Science Kit, I mean.
Bye.
By National Geographic. Okay, guys, that's it for our video. So thumbs up, click the bell, and then yeah. So say goodbye.